Hey everyone, Holiday Display Tips is back with a look at the various forms of light effects. The advances in lights have slowed down since the advent of LED, so now the new fad is to make the lights do things in and of themselves. The effects ultimately come down to being one of four different categories: solid on, flashing, fading, or color changing, but imaginations have been able to create subcategories of those. Flashing has been seen here as the most obvious form, but it has also been seen in the form of a chasing effect, as you see here, where the lights are flashing on and off at different times to seem as if the light moves along the cord. This effect's also been used commonly as twinkling lights, such as here, and shimmering, such as here. Shimmering can, depending on what you're looking for, be good as a look of light glinting off of glass, such as this, but it can also be used very nicely in icicle lights. Being just plain on can even have a subcategory of dimming, as you can see here, coming back up, and then color changing is just its entirely own form with a limitless supply of options with all the different color palettes that are available. That's it for me for tonight. I'll see you holiday artists tomorrow.